morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm all right.
Good. You ready?
I'm ready.
Excited?
Excited.
All right. Nervous?
A little nervous.
A little nervous. Okay. As long as you're more excited than nervous, it'll be good.
Right.
So today we are scheduled for 2,500 grafts.
Okay.
Place up at the top. We're going to be doing the traditional strip method, removing the segment of tissue in the back, putting the stitches in. Okay.
Okay.
We'll draw out this hairline. We'll make sure that you're happy with it. We want to create something that looks very natural with what you have and also based on the shape of your face.
Right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what's important in addition to the adding of the 2,500 grafts, we also want you to keep the hair that you have.
Okay.
Obviously, you know you've got genetic hair loss up here.
Right.
You've had the dreadlocks in before, which of course are gone now.
Oh, yeah.
And the important thing is, you know, as you realize, the dreadlocks actually pull the hair out. That
Right.
twisting and pulling
Yeah.
actually accelerates your hair loss. So you've got the baseline genetic, that twisting is making it worse. So what we want to do is not only add where you don't have hair, get you on the prevention to keep and strengthen the hair that you have. Okay? All right, great. Any questions that you have?
No.
All right, so we're going to break the day down into 3 parts.
Okay.
We're going to draw the hairline first. We'll make sure that you're happy with it, and I'll explain that to you. The next part will be we're going to remove the segment of tissue in the back. We're going to clip only the hair that we remove, put the stitches in, and the edges come back together. The back won't even be seen. Next, we'll make the openings in the front, and then place the grafts in. All right? All right, ready to get started?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Finished, and we got 2,072 grafts. So I want to show you with the mirror what we got in the nice outline with your hairline and the temporal points, okay?
All right.
So as you can see, we created a nice hairline. We got definition on both the right and the left temporal points, which you didn't have before. We got coverage going back into this whole area. And then we're going to let the prevention, all that medication work up in here to help strengthen that area.
All right.
All right?
Good.
That's very good. Just remember also, sometimes the hairline can be a little distorted from the anesthesia. When the hair grows in, it's going to be a much softer look than the delineation of the line that you have. The line looks beautiful now. It'll only get better
Right.
in time.
Okay.
All right?
All right.